Intraplex was founded in 1987. We started our company in the hard disk drive industry. We've been doing that for 35 plus years. We've more recently taken our high volume, high precision component capability, and so we have expanded into fiber optic connectors, airbag igniter components, as well as most recently battery components for our EV applications, such as lithium-ion batteries for not only vehicles but also for energy storage systems. We're one of only 3 companies in the world that can build the components that we make for the hard disk drive industry. So the cleanliness control, the dimensional control, all of those capabilities are world-class in that market. So we're able to meet standards far beyond what a typical stamping company can do. And so that's where we apply our technology, not just in the part capability itself, but in how you manufacture that part, how you measure that part, and that's where support from Nikon has really helped us throughout the years.
Interplex uses 2 Nikon VMR vision measurement systems as well as an iNextiv VMA in our operations. We also utilize multiple Nikon profile projectors as well as measurement microscopes. We utilize our Nikon measurement systems to assess critical dimensions, including geometric dimensioning and tolerancing requirements, flatness, parallelism, and heights, utilizing the laser technology. One recent metrology challenge our Nikon systems have helped us address were a challenging set of parts with dimensions and datums that were on surfaces that were not orthogonal to each other. And we couldn't capture those with a traditional vision-only system. So the Nikon iNextiv VMA enabled us to pick up these datums using 2 different types of technologies. The touch probe coordinated with the vision system and integrated in the software. And this allowed us to develop a new metrology approach and ultimately meet the customer requirements. Originally, we were looking at a traditional CMM, but we realized that the integration of both the touch probe and the vision system offered us significant advantages. We were able to get a smaller package size with more flexibility and overall capability from the Nikon. Nikon has been a great partner for over 20 years. We look forward to continuing working with them going forward on new projects.